Hey Eddie, this is Howard. I thought I would just show you how to get, for any face-to-face course, you're not going to get a shell automatically generated. Only online courses will be automatically generated in Blackboard. So let me show you how to do this. So go to your Mesa page, www.sdmesa.edu. Come to Blackboard. I was already logged in, so mine came up. You would normally log in. And come down here where it says request a Blackboard site. So what you're going to do here is click in the course request form. And here you're simply going to fill this out. So in my case, it's going to be SU. You're going to do it for you. Yeah, campus is Mesa, your email at SDCCDE. Yeah, you don't have a phone number, so I would recommend using your cell phone number. Your CSID number, so that's your employee number. Have you taught? You would check yes. For you, it's either going to be business communications or business law, whichever. Your prefix and your course number. So for business communications, it's business 119. And for business law, it's business 140. So let me just do this. Okay, you'll do two separate ones though, but those are your course CRN. I don't have any idea what that is, but I'll give you another video to show you how to get that. So it's that 5-digit CRN. You have to do this for each one of your classes. Okay, so you can't do multiple CRNs. So I'm just going to create one. Your course term will be fall 2018. Course start date is 01/20/2018. No comments. Then you'll hit submit. I'm not going to hit submit because this will create a course for me. But what will happen is it will come up and it'll say, would you like to do another course? You would just click yes, and then most of this, all of this up here would automatically be filled in for you. You could be able to go right down and just complete this. Okay, so you will get an email in your SDCCD email that will confirm first that you ordered the shell, and they say it takes anywhere from 4 to 5 business days to complete that. Once they complete building your shells, you'll get another email, and you'll probably get one email for all of the shells. But when you request them, you'll get an email for each class. Okay? So that's how you do that. If you have any questions, give me an email. I'll attach this to your email. Thanks.